What is up everyone, this is Universe channel and in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix headphone jack not working problem or earphones not connecting problem in Vivo S1, S1 Pro or S7. So before just starting video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Let's start our video without wasting your time. So to fix headphone jack not working or headphones are not connecting problem in Vivo mobile, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So open settings and pause complete video, follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.